Imagine your brain is super smart, right? It knows tons of stuff, but knowing isn't the same as doing. That's where AI agents come in. They're like little helpers that take all the amazing things your brain knows and turn them into action. You've probably heard of AI, artificial intelligence. It's like brain power for computers, helping them understand and solve problems. But an AI agent, that's where the magic happens. It actually takes that brain power and uses it to do things. It's the difference between knowing how to build a tower and putting one together block by block. So, how do AI agents work? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, they listen. You tell them what you want, like asking a friend for help. Step 2, they think. They use their AI brain to figure out the best way to get the task done. Step 3, they act. They get to work, giving you the answer or completing the task for you. Imagine your parents are heading out for the evening and leaving you with a babysitter. They don't just say, bye. Instead, they leave instructions. Bedtime is 8. Snack is cookies. If anything happens, here's the emergency number. AI agents work the same way. They're trained with workflows and instructions, so they know exactly what to do when you give them a task. When you interact with an AI agent, you see the simple, easy part, like sending a voice command to your phone. That's the interface. But behind the scenes, the AI agent is following something called a workflow. Think of it like a treasure map. Step by step, it figures out how to get what you need and deliver it to you. Here's what happens every time you use an AI agent. Step 1, input. Step 2, processing. Step 3, action. Step 4, learning. Every time it helps, it gets smarter and better at understanding you. Here's why this changes everything. AI agents are becoming the new apps. Instead of opening a dozen different apps to schedule a meeting, write an essay, or order groceries, your agents will know how to use all those tools for you. Imagine a future where there are more AI agents than people, each one making life easier. AI agents are not just tools, they're the next step in personal technology, propelling us into a future of endless possibilities. AI agents are changing how we work, learn, and live. They'll help us with chores, teach us new skills, and even tackle big problems like healthcare and climate change. By understanding them now, you'll be ahead of the curve and ready to embrace the future. Are you as excited about AI agents as I am? Tell me in the comments, what kind of AI agent do you want to see?